In the world of mobile app design, user experience is paramount. Crafting engaging user interfaces, UIs, that respond to gestures and animations can transform an ordinary app into an extraordinary one. Flutter, with its intuitive gesture recognition system and robust animation framework, offers developers the tools to create dynamic, interactive experiences that captivate users. Users interact with mobile apps through gestures like pinching, swiping, and tapping. Flutter provides a variety of gesture recognition tools that allow developers to capture these actions and respond appropriately. Whether it's recognizing a simple tap on a button or capturing complex multi-touch gestures, Flutter makes it easy to create natural, intuitive interactions that enhance the user experience. Integrating gestures into your application can range from basic interactions like button tapping to more complex ones like dragging or scaling. By learning to respond intuitively to gestures, you can create seamless interactions that feel natural to users. This guide will show you how to incorporate gestures into your app's interface, making interactions smooth and engaging. Animations bring life and movement to your app, signaling transitions and changes. Flutter's animation framework allows you to create visually pleasing results, from simple transitions like fades to more intricate animations that respond to user interactions. By adding dynamic elements to your application, you can make your app more engaging and visually appealing. Combining gestures with animations can create a dynamic user interface. Imagine drag-and-drop interactions or scrolling through rotating carousels. By linking gestures with animations, you can create applications that feel intuitive and responsive. This section will explore ways to merge gestures with animations, resulting in seamless and engaging user experiences. Visual and haptic feedback can significantly enhance the user experience when engaging with gestures. By providing subtle clues that acknowledge user actions, you can increase user satisfaction and create more immersive experiences. This section will discuss how to implement visual and haptic feedback to make your app more engaging and enjoyable for users. Animations and gestures can impact an app's performance if not properly managed. Optimizing your app ensures it remains responsive and smooth, even with complex animations. This section will present strategies for performance optimization, helping you keep your app running efficiently. From reducing widget rebuilds to using asynchronous operations, these tips will help you maintain a high-performing app. By mastering the integration of gestures and animations in Flutter, you can create interactive UIs that delight users. Whether you're developing a game, improving navigation, or enhancing the visual appeal of your app, these techniques will help you transform static screens into engaging experiences. Start your journey towards creating dynamic, user-friendly interfaces with Flutter today.